Okay, I've been wearing my hair down. I just changed into warmer clothes because it's getting toasty. But I most definitely need to do something different with my hair. So we're gonna put a little updo kind of thing going on. So I'm gonna use this color and just do like a bandana kind of. And I feel like that is the easiest thing that I can do, especially with how windy it is and all that. So. Okay, so I section out my bang pieces and then tie the rest back. I'm gonna brush out my bangs real quick. And then I'm gonna half this and stick the middle part to my forehead, right where I want it. Tie it underneath the hair that I tied up. Just like that. And then it's a little bit messy. We'll clean it up a little bit. And pull all this extra hair out. Okay. Now my hair is down and doing its thing, while also tucked away, protected from the wind, and not driving me absolutely crazy.